why is there glue in her hair? Oh no. Hey guys, it's Traeh and today's video is a natural hair horror story, you guys' favorite here on my channel. So as you guys know, today is day 5 of Natural Hair Horror Story Week. So it is officially over. It has come to an end. I will see you guys again with Natural Hair Horror Stories the first week of May. But I will be giving you guys a whole bunch of other content for the rest of this month. So leave your video requests down below. Let me know what other products you guys want me to try out. Any hair tutorials you want me to try out, let me know down below. But if you guys are new, welcome. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. I do a series here on my channel where I allow you guys to email me your craziest natural hair horror story and I feature it. So if you guys have a natural hair horror story that you would like me to feature, you can definitely email me at Sendtotraeh@gmail.com and hopefully I will feature it for the month of May. Now I'm not going to ramble too much longer, but if you guys did enjoy Natural Hair Horror Story Week, please give the video a big thumbs up. I have been working extremely hard to post content on this channel and my vlog channel. The link is down below to subscribe to the vlog channel. You guys get daily vlogs. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Alright guys, so the email says, "Hey Traeh, I watch your videos all the time, but it still didn't stop me from experiencing mine. Okay, I have been natural since I was 16. After I had my son at 19, my hair took a hit. My edges and hair just kept breaking due to postpartum shedding. My boyfriend at the time convinced me to cut all my hair off. Didn't want to, but he said I might as well start from the beginning. So I cut all my hair off February 2017. It took a while to grow back, but it started to pick up near the end of last year. I saw your crochet hair video with the red hair and loved it and wanted to do it for myself. I will include the picture here of that hairstyle. I was a bit unsure, so I looked on the girl's Instagram and asked people that got their hair done by her, and they loved it. They said she didn't braid tight and she was really good. So I booked an appointment to get my hair done. The niece said that she has to buy everything because she doesn't work with any hair or new hair products. I said okay and let her buy the hair and everything. The day came to get my hair done and she said it would take 6 hours. 6 hours? I was shocked because it shouldn't take that long for crochet hair. She began to braid my hair. I told her when it was feeling tight and she would loosen it and braid it lighter. When she was finishing up, my mother-in-law came in and looked shocked. She asked me if the braids were tight. I said no. I have a high pain tolerance and really didn't feel any pain. My mother-in-law then came closer and asked her niece, why is there glue in her hair? Oh no. Y'all, we done already had a horror story where the girl used glue to install Havana twists. I hope. Oh my God. She didn't say what kind of glue she used, but I just can't. I hope it's not super glue. I just hope it's not super glue. That's when I got scared. She didn't tell me at all that she was using glue. The niece then said it's to make it more secure so it lasts longer. I asked if any had touched my actual hair and she said no. So where did she... What? I'm trying to figure out where she put the glue then, because if she put it on the knot, then some glue might actually touch her hair. I don't know. I'm just hoping it's not super glue or anything like that. Hopefully it's like hair glue, but hair glue wouldn't even secure it like that. I don't know. About a week later, my head started to hurt a little, like pressure around the front of my hair. But I left it. Another couple of days went by and it was to the point I couldn't put the hair into a ponytail. It hurt so bad. So I took it out, I cut all of the hair out and then began to undo the braids. The takedown process was fine until I got to the front of my hair. On one side it didn't hurt that much and little chunks of my hair came out with the braid. On the other side, every braid I took out, a full chunk of my hair, root to tip, came out. I looked in the mirror and the right side of my head, all my edges are gone. I was so mad. When I washed my hair, more fell out on top of pieces of my hair attached to glue. I wanted a change from my normal styles, and it cost me the progress I had with my natural hair. I haven't contacted the niece yet because I partly take blame. I should have taken it out when I first felt the pressure and not waited that long. And because she is related to my son's dad's side of the family, I don't know how to approach the situation without there being a lot of drama. Pictures of my hair below. Never will I let a stranger into my hair again. No matter how good their reviews are, they still don't know my hair. P.S. You have a beautiful family, Traeh. Lots of hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's talk about it. So what's crazy is the fact that you actually tried to do a protective style that I showed here on my channel. I will link that video down below in case you guys are interested. Now, the style does not need glue whatsoever, okay? You can do the style. The style is a great protective style, but you do not need glue. I don't know what happened, what went wrong, because in no way, shape, or form do you need glue for a crochet style. But anyways, you went to her to get your hair done. You wanted the crochet braids. You said that you ended up loving the style, but when she was doing it, you said you had a high pain tolerance. Your mother-in-law came and she asked if your braids were tight. You said no. I don't know, maybe it seemed tight, because you know how you can tell if somebody's hair is tight? Like, you can tell, okay? So maybe she sensed that the hair was tight, but you said no, it wasn't tight. And once she looks a little closer, she notices that it's glue in your hair. Now, you didn't specify what type of glue. I don't know if it's wig glue. I don't know if it's super glue, gorilla glue. We don't know, okay? You didn't tell us. But she used some type of glue to install the crochet hair. Now, when you asked the girl if any of the glue got on your hair, she said no. But I'm trying to figure out how the glue wouldn't get on your hair. If she's applying the glue to the knot, that's directly on your braids. So some glue could easily get on your hair. So I don't know. I don't know why she needed glue in the first place. Because once you tie the hair in a knot, the hair is secure. It's not going anywhere. But yeah. Once the style was done, you said that you loved the hair. It looked super nice. And then you said about a week later, you started to feel pressure around the front of your hair. Now, usually when you get your hair done and it's done tight, it will hurt in the beginning and then it should loosen up over a few days. I'm not sure why you started to feel that pressure a week later. I don't know, maybe it's because of the styles you were doing with your hair. I'm not sure. Maybe you felt that pressure because of the styles you were doing. You said that you felt it in the front of your hair, and in the picture that you sent, you did have the two little buns up top. So maybe that was too tight and it caused that pressure, because I'm not sure why it would feel tight a week later instead of, you know, feeling that pressure in the beginning. So maybe it was from the different styles, because with crochet styles, you can do a lot of different things. So maybe it was because of the styles you were doing on your hair. But nonetheless, you decided to keep the hair in. Even though you was feeling that pressure, you could have loosened the style. Like I said, I'm not sure if it was the styles you were doing or what. But you decided to actually keep the hair in. So once you actually did start to take it down, you noticed that your hair was coming out in chunks. When you was washing your hair, it was just coming out. And from the picture, you can actually see your hair and you can see that it was glued. So that is just crazy. And you said that she's related, so you don't know how to approach the situation without there being a lot of drama. Now, I know some of y'all will be ready to fight, but she's family. I would just tell her what happened, show her your hair, just explain the situation and what happened to your hair so that she doesn't do that to someone else's hair. Like I said, we don't know what kind of glue she applied to your hair, but hopefully she doesn't use that on anybody else's hair. I mean, I wouldn't do anything more than that. Just don't get your hair done by her again. Take it as a lesson learned and just keep it moving. It's super unfortunate that this happened to you after you tried to follow one of my hair tutorials, and this is your first time like giving your natural hair a break and actually moving into protective styling. So it's really sad that this happened to you. I really do wish you the best on your natural hair journey. Thank you so much for sharing your natural hair horror story with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed Natural Hair Horror Story Week Ryan is crying, so I gotta go. If you guys did enjoy Natural Hair Horror Story Week, please give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you head over and subscribe to my vlog channel where you can get daily vlogs. I don't know if you guys can hear Ryan, but I have to go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.